This is certainly going to be an interesting video. Interesting for me to film because we live in a busy pedestrian suburban area in which people are driving by all the time. There's construction going on across the street. My neighbors are out. They're gonna see me filming, but hey, it's important because we are doing the front porch spring clean and decorate with me today. So I can't wait to have you along for the ride. Let me show you what it looks like right now. This is what our front porch looks like in the winter, all cleared of decor and pillows and fun things, but now it's time to get it ready for spring. We use it all the time, so it needs to look cute. You can see here how dusty and dirty the chairs are from just being left out here during the winter. I just wanted to get up close so you could see all of the dirt that we're going to clean off. And so I'm going to start by spraying down all of the rocking chairs and just really getting in there and getting them clean. As I'm wiping down the rocking chairs, you can see this guy walking by with his dog and all of the cars going by. This is a really active area. We love where we live, and we love to spend tons of time on this front porch. Right after dinner, the entire family goes out and we sit out here and just while away the summer evenings together watching all of the activity in the neighborhood. And we all really look forward to being out here every year. We'll grab a glass of wine or something like sparkling juice or iced tea for the kids and just sit out here and interact with our neighbors. It is a ton of fun. Frequently during the summer, our children will have friends over too, so that's even more people that gather around on this front porch, and we just pull out like lawn chairs and set them in the front yard facing each other and create an outdoor living room space. So now I'm going to wipe off this concrete ledge and around the windows that we've got here. This is my mother-in-law's, we call it an apartment. It's just an addition that we put on the front of the house. But she takes really good care of those windows from the inside, so there's not really much for me to do on the outside. Okay, we've got everything all wiped down and leaf blown and all of the cobwebs out. So now I'm going to start taking everything off of the front porch and putting down a rug that I just bought, and we'll start decorating together. Now I'm just going to check the placement of that chair and make sure that we're not going to hit it when we swing in our bench seat. Okay, so we've got that all set up over there. I really like it. I told you I have a really busy area, so I hope you can hear me. But it's this area right here that is so perplexing to me because it's just, how do I explain it? Visually, it's uneven. We have to have enough room for the swing to like swing back, so I can't set things up equidistant like I really would like to. I mean, similarly over here, I can't set things up equidistant either because we have 3 rockers. We've got to fit like 7 of us out here. So anyway, gonna do the best we can. We'll see what I can come up with over here. I totally broke this candle. So I broke the candle while I was trying to put it on our stand there, but that's okay because I went inside and I've got this beautiful turquoise candle that is going to match even better than the one I had out here before. I am really pleased with how this turned out. I love the rug. I think it really sets that area apart. And this porch sign that I got from Hobby Lobby, I think it was like 15 bucks because their home decor was 50% off. So go over there if you want one because it might still be on sale. And then the pillows and our little vase with the fake plant I got in it from Target. I'm just really happy. I think it looks adorable. I love the turquoise and the yellow. It's very springy, summery to me. And then this area turned out even better than I thought it would. I got it to be more symmetrical than I thought I could. And those, like, that little flower bowl was from Target. It's $2. I think it's really for cereal, but I think it looks really nice out here with those dollar spot flowers. And I'm just going to finish off these planters in front of the garage with my fake hydrangeas. My friend Jessica is a total gardener and would probably kill me for this, but she grows beautiful things and I kill everything. So to me, this is a good solution. And even though this was a video about my front porch, I couldn't leave the entryway out, even though I have to deep clean it at another time. But let's get that adorable spring wreath hung up. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you had fun. I had a great time. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. I love you.